What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Happiest Most Magical. I'm so excited that you're here with me today because I am going to be sharing with you the Excursionista travel compression bags. My friends over at Excursionista sent me a set to review, and I'm so excited to share with you what I think about these travel compression bags. First off, let's go ahead and see what's included with the package. Let's take a look at the large bags first. So there are two included in this set, and it measures 27 inches by 19 inches. The bottom sealer part is blue, and this is the perfect size for your jackets or your sweaters. Now let's take a look at the medium-sized bag. So in this set, there are four included. This particular bag measures 23 inches by 16 inches, and the bottom sealing part is white. I would recommend using this for your t-shirts and also for your pants. Last but not least, let's take a look at the small bag in this set. There are two included, and it measures 19 inches by 12 inches. The bottom part is kind of like a peachy coral color, and I would recommend using this bag for all of your delicates. So for this vlog, I am going to try to pack everything into a backpack for a 3-day hypothetical trip. So I'm going to pack a jacket, 2 sweaters, a t-shirt, 2 pants, underwear, and my toiletries. Let's go ahead and see if I can get it all into a backpack. you've watched me pack. Let's see what unpacking is like. So I'm going to unzip my backpack and let's take a look at how the jacket looks like after we open it up. So all you have to do is unravel it, and notice how like compressed it is. I'm going to open up the bottom part, and ta-da! There's my jacket. Let's take a look at the rest of my clothes. Again, you're just going to unravel and unseal the bag. Dump out the clothes, and they're good. And last but not least are my pants and my underwear. So again, unravel, take out to the clothes, and we're good. Nice and easy. All right, so final thoughts on the Excursionista travel compression bags. First of all, they do what they say they are going to do. I was able to fit everything in my backpack thanks to these compression bags. They're also great for if you are an overpacker. Actually, let me clarify that statement. Not an overpacker. There are no overpackers. There are just people that like having options and choices when they're on vacation. So these products are also great for you too, because you're able to bring the same amount of things and have those choices available to you while you're on your trip and have it all fit in your luggage just fine. I also love that the set includes 8 bags. So again, you get 2 of the large ones, 4 of the medium-sized ones, and 2 of the small ones. So you have everything you need to have an organized suitcase. All right, so I told you what I love about the Excursionista travel compression bags. Let's talk about a couple of cons that I ran into. So the first one is that the first time I was rolling and pushing the air out, it was super difficult. It even made my knuckles hurt a little bit, and I know that makes me sound like a pansy, but to be honest, I was trying so hard and the air wasn't pushing out, and I was worried that I was going to pop the bag. But after practicing a couple of times, I no longer had that issue. Like, I knew the angle to roll and push the air out, and it became easy. So I guess you wouldn't really consider that a con, maybe just something to be aware of, that it might just take a couple of times to practice it to get used to rolling the air out. So yeah, just thought I would let you know what my experience was like the first time using the compression bag. So I don't think I talked about the composition of the material. It's a very thick, durable plastic. So it's made to last. It's very high quality. The only thing I don't like though is that after using it once, the bag looks wrinkly. And that has nothing to do with the performance of the bag. Like, this will last through many, many trips. It just doesn't look as pretty as it did when I first unraveled it. That's all. So that's all aesthetically, but it will do just fine for many, many, many trips to come. Alright, I will add a link to the description box below on where you can find your very own Excursionista travel compression bag set. And I also have a discount code for you guys to use. It is 25 magical, and that'll give you 25% off your order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me if you haven't already. See you guys again real soon.